In this video, I am going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. 1. Open the web browser on your device to go to Telegram web, or you can do it on the Telegram application. Enter your Telegram credentials to log into your account. Now, look for the menu icon, which is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of the app. Click on it. In the menu that appears, find and select Settings option. Within the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security to access your privacy settings. Scroll through the options until you find Disable Filtering. Next to it, you will see a checkbox or a toggle. Select it to disable content filtering. After disabling the content filter, you can exit the settings. Your changes should save automatically, allowing you to view content previously restricted due to sensitivity filters. By following these steps, you should now have access to a broader range of content on Telegram without encountering the cannot be displayed error. Remember that enable sensitive content might expose you to material that you may find offensive or inappropriate, so proceed with caution based on your comfort and discretion. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.